What is the importance of the relationship in between instructor and student? On a very practical side, for the teaching to happen, of course, we need a teacher and a student. But it's a little more deeper than this. So of course there is the teacher and the student, but there is also the teaching itself, the transmission, the thing that moves from one to the other. And it's always a double movement. It goes from teacher to the student and from students to the teacher. What is a transmission? We can say that it has two different parts in the transmission. One is the very visible, practical side, which is technical, what people call the practices. And the other side is what is non-visible, the energy that moves from one to the other. And we should ask, what is energy? Fundamentally, it's an active force of transformation. The teacher is transformed, the student is transformed through the transmission. The second part of energy is it's a quality of very deep affection and reverence towards life. And the third side of transmission is kind of clarity of life, of discrimination in between what is changing and what is permanent. If something is permanent, it's an inquiry. The relationship in between teacher and student is in fact a revelation. It reveals the limitations, and also it reveals what is not limited. If there is no student, there is no teacher. If there is no teacher, there is no student. In both cases, there is no teaching. There is a word in Sanskrit which is called parampara. It is the uninterrupted process of transmission. There is a movement, we can call it life, the movement of life. This movement touches both teachers and students. It touches each and every human being. The transmission is only possible when there is a clear understanding of all this, when there is reverence for each to the other one. This is only when the heart of the teaching can flourish into this relationship.